So last class we discussed provisioners, right? So last class we discussed mostly provisioners. That is one is a file provisioner and local exec, and remote exec, and null resource. Mostly we see what is null resource. It won't do anything, and only some changes. If we want to, if we update any configuration, if we want to copy content and all, and in that case, so mostly we are using null resource and all. So today we'll see what is module concept, very important. This is simple only, module. And so module is nothing but main thing is packaging. So real time, right? So if you go to real time, just assume. So there is a project A, there is project B, and there is a project C. There is like many projects, right? So real time means not only single project, correct? So for example, this is the project A, and this is the project B. This is the project B, and this is the project C. So for every project, there is some common functionality, right? So now this is my script, right? This is my script. For every project, there is a, for example, just assume this is the development environment, development, and this is the testing environment. This is the test environment. This is the test environment. So this is the test environment, and this is the production environment. Just assume, very simple only. This is the production environment. This is the production. For development means just assume I am using one different AMID. I am using some AMID and instance type. Instance underscore type. Here I am using, for example, T2 small or T2 medium. This is the T2, for just assume T2 small. Here I am using for testing purpose, I need T2 medium. T2, T2 medium. And so production environment, I am going to use large. I am going to use a large. This is a live, right? We are going to use so T2 large. So only remaining concept is same only. Okay. So now for this purpose, we have some code, right? We have Terraform script here. We have Terraform script. Terraform script. Only some of changes only we are going to change, right? Remaining script is same only. For development also we need VPC. Testing also we need VPC. Production also we need VPC. But only instance type should be changed. Remaining almost all resource, all and all common only. So how module is working means so modules in Terraform. Terraform modules. So if you go here, this is the official website. Modules is nothing but main packaging and also reuse the resource configuration with Terraform. So the main thing is modules are main way to packaging. Packaging means, right, grouping. Packaging means we are going to do grouping and also reuse purpose. Reuse purpose. For all projects we are going to use so all projects we are going to use same. All projects we are using to same. Modules are main way to packaging and reuse resource configuration with Terraform. Reusability means this way. Reusability means so this way whatever you want so we can do it. So whatever you want so we can do it. These are the reusability. This is the reusability concept. So now if so project A they are using same only, and project test environment I am going to use, this is the reusability. Some common functionality and all I am implementing here. So these are the some common functionality. Simply if you want to understand, this is the common functionality. functionality and all. So mostly we are implementing here. We are keeping here. And based on project, I need project A. I am calling directly. No need to implement scratch level here for a project test environment. So already we have script and all. So whatever we need directly we can call in test environment and production environment. So like this, if you want to use, we go for models. See here, models are containers for multiple resources that are used together. So here we are going, these all are the script only, these all are TF files only, Terraform files only. These all are the TF files only, or JSON files, or JSON, same only, mostly you know, right, TF files. So these files we are going to split. See here, all modules consist of TF files only. And these are we are going to use packaging. Main way to packaging and reuse resource configuration with Terraform. Reusability. Reusability means, so one time if you return, if anyone they want, they can reuse it. They can reuse it. That is the main. So that is the main functionality of models. So clear guys, these are the two types, root models and child model. So as of now, I didn't declare anything, right? There is two types of models. There is two types of models. One is root model. There is two types of models. One is root model. One is child model. Child model. So root model, child model. So root model means, so every Terraform configuration, at least one model is known as root model, which consists of resources defined in TF files in the main working directory. So root directory, root model means, so now as of now we mostly work with root models only. So directly I created one directory. Within the directory I created my TF files and all. Child models means, see here, Terraform models can call another model including the resource into the configuration. So that case we go for so child model. These are the child model. Child model is called multiple files within the same configuration. Multiple configurations can be same child model also. So these are the two types. So if you use direct only one directory, that is nothing but so this is the root model. As of now, mostly I work with root only. So child means we are going to split multiple files. See here, child models can be, so child models, another model including the resource into the configuration. The model has been called by another model after reuse the child model. These are the two types, root model, child model. Now if you go here, so as of now we created, so all child models are root models. I created main directory, correct? These all are the child model or root models. What Chandrasekhar, Shiva? These all are the child model or root models. I created only one folder. Within the folder, I am maintaining all these things, right? Correct? So these are the which model? This is the root model or child model? Hmm? Root model means only we are creating one folder. See here. So root model means, so at least only one model, it's root model. It consists of resources defined all TF files. All TF files we are keeping in the one folder only. I hope you got it right. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Shiva, Chandrasekhar, Ashish. So root model means we are creating one main folder. So within the folder we are keeping all TF files. That is nothing but root model. Clear, Ashish? So that is the root model. Child model means I am going to create one more folder. I am splitting multiple folders, and whenever we need, I am calling only that file, that so files only. అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear, Shiva?
Yes.
Okay. So as of now, mostly we are using root only. Root means I created one main folder. Within the folder, I kept all my TF files. Got it? సో ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఆ ఫోల్డర్లో ఆల్ టీఎఫ్ ఫైల్స్ star.tf files, all tf files and all I kept in the only one folder, that is nothing but root folder. Now I am going to create a multiple folders, and how I can call it now we'll see. I hope you got some idea, right? This is main thing is reuse packaging and reusability. Packaging and reusability. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one more modules. Whatever you want we can create. I created one folder is called so models. One folder is called models. Under this model, EC2 I am creating, EC2 purpose under I am creating, and models under I am VPC related under I am keeping here, and so models under is equal to subnet security group. So like this I am going to split multiple multiple folders, subfolders. And how to call these models? This is the okay, right? All my files I kept here only. Now I am development environment, I am testing environment, production environment, stage environment, like this. So if any reuse code I want to call here, so this is the syntax. This is the syntax. If you want to call anything, so this is the syntax. This is the syntax model. This is the syntax as model, and so under the model this is the one block. This is like so under here, and if you want to call anything, this is the syntax. Source equal to source equal to where your models available, from where you want to call. These are right. I don't want all, I want to call only, I want to call only EC2. So ETC related path we are giving here, EC2 related so path and all we are giving here. Eraser. This is where is eraser? This is now see here. I am going to give so path here only. So double quotation under this here. For example, where is your where is your code? Where is your code? For example, under model, under models, and I want to call my EC2 configuration and all. EC2 configuration. That's it. So like this, whenever if you need, so we can call it. This is the syntax. That's it. Apart from this, nothing. We are not going to do anything. We are not going to do anything. See here. So model, under the model, source equal to where is your common configuration files. So where your models, wherever you kept, just we are giving that path. That's it. So very simple. For example, this is my environment. We can call like this. In project test environment, I need only VPC. We can call VPC. Production environment, I need both. We can call all. So like this, simply we can split. We can split. So different, and we are packaging. And the main thing is reusability. So the main thing is only reusability. Only reusability. Only reusability. Only reusability. I hope you got it right. So anyone, any doubt? What is the main purpose of models? So packaging and reusability. What is this? Packaging and reusability. Packaging and so reusability. Clear? Anyone, any doubt? Hello?
No.
Okay. So now we'll say practically, so how it will work. Practically, so how it will work means, so now we can say. Now already we have some files, right? Already we have some files and done. I'm going to do so same only. How we can create? Now go to here. I'm going to same thing. Already we created it. Same thing. I'm going to create multiple. So now, so I'm going to create some models. I'm creating so any one folder so model. Okay, so model concept. So now here I'm going to so create, this is a model, right? So now I'm going to create same structure only. Just assume this is the project. This is the so project A. Now I am going to give some more project, or this is the development. This is the development phase. This is the develop whatever you want. That is your wish. Reusability only, right? Main thing. And this is the project B. Project B. Or like this, we can create some multiple. See here. Now project C. I have okay 3. Now in this, so first I'm going to do some common functionality, some common functionality, whatever you want, so we can give it. So whatever you want, whatever you want, so we can give it some common functionality and all. So common means just create so common functionality means so whatever you want, so we can create. For VPC purpose, I am giving some whatever you want. Now I am go to here. I am go to here anywhere project A. Just I am giving something. Go to here. Go to here. Already we have VPC and all right. No need to do anything. Just I am copying only. Where is our VPC? First class, right? Here. So copy this one. I am copying these two files. Instead of writing everything, just I am copying. So I am copying this particular path. Okay. So now go to our folder classes here models and just I am pasting here. Just I am pasting here. So this is the provider. Provider means this is common for everyone, right? Anyone any doubt here? Even project A or project B. So for provider, right? This is common for everyone or so for every project it will change. Almost this is common only, right? I am connecting AWS my cloud. If you want to connect with cloud, this is common, right? Yes or no? Even project A, for example, development environment also, I need that so provider, right? For testing environment, if I want to connect my cloud, so here also I need provider. For production also, if you want to connect cloud, we need that credential, right? So this and all common for what? Shiva, common for everyone or not? Common for every environment or every environment we are going to change? No, right? అర్థమవుతుందా? So for example, I want to connect development to my cloud. So we need same configuration, right? Provider. For testing, test environment, I want to connect my so AWS. We need same. So that and all we are keeping in the so particular path. So now I keep all these things here only, and remaining and all I am comment it. Try to understand. I am comment it. I don't want everything here. I am going to split. Okay, this and all I am commenting. Okay. Let's start the slash. Now this is a common. This is the common for so code whatever you want, which region, wherever you want. So what you are going to do. So that and all we can implement here. Now go to here project A. So go to here project A or development environment, whatever you want. Just go and create one file here. Go and create one file here. Not CMD. Notepad. I want to create so EC2 instance. I want to create a EC2. Whatever you want, we can give for understanding purpose. EC2 ins.tf file, tf file. Okay. Now, so here just copy this code. I want to create a EC2 instance. That's it. Okay, just paste it. See here in project A. In project A, I want to connect. In project A, I want to connect. In project A, I want to connect. So I need to create so EC2 instance. I need to create EC2 instance. Just AMI something whatever you want. Whatever you want, so we can do it. Whatever you want, so we can so do it. Clear? అర్థమైందా? I want to create in project A, I want to create EC2 instance. So block started here, block ended here. That's it. Apart from this, I am not going to do anything. Now go to here project B. So go to here project B. So here what you want? See here for project B, I want to create some VPC. Anything whatever you want. Notepad VPC dot tf. dot so tf dot tf. So here we want to create VPC. Now already we have some VPC and all, right. Where is that file? VPC, already VPC. Where is that? Go here, models. Here VPC available. Just copy. I'm splitting. That's it. Try to understand. These are the VPC. So this code and all I'm copying. I need only VPC subnet, whatever you want. So that's it. Whatever you want, we can, or else copy all these things. That's it. Now go to here, and so coming to here, this is VPC. Now see here, for project B, they want VPC, they want subnet, they want subnet 2, and so one security group, and the remaining story already you know what is this and all. I'm not going to do anything, whatever you want. So this and also not mandatory. Route table and all, okay, leave it. Only just I'm creating a subnets VPC, and this and all. Save it. So now anyone, now see here, I don't want this one here, delete this one. Okay. Now project A. Project A means I am using so one file. This is the EC2 purpose, only EC2 some common functionality project related. For project A, whatever I need, just I configure here. I am coming to project B. Project B, they want VPC creation and all. They want to VPC so creation and all. VPC creation and all. Now, so now this is the provider. This is the provider. This is the so provider, right? So how to call this one? How to call this one? How to call that one? What is the syntax? How we can call it? Just now we discussed, right? So just now we
module.
modules. What is the concept? Modules. So with the help of model, we can call it. Clear? So what how we can call it? Modules. Okay. Now open wherever. So here I written something. Here also I written something. And so this is project B. I didn't write anything. Whatever you want, we can split it. Now how to call it? So with the help of model. Now see here. So where is this one? Provider, right? I don't want here. I want to go here. Now, now tell me what the how to call. What is the syntax here I written? Model source equal to model t. Same model. So model, and we can give a model name. Whatever name we can give it. Whatever name you model we can give it, and source. So what is the sourc source equal to for where you want to so get this code, which code you want, model name we can give anything guys. So for example this is my uh, project A model, right, or A project project A model. I need to call so project A model. I need to call so project A model. I need to call project A model. Clear? Now how to call it? So this is the source where you need to give path. So current working directory. Project A also available here, right? So project A also available here, right? Now how to call this one? Now see here. So this is right. All are in same working directory or different path? All are in same working directory or different path? అన్నీ నాకు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాయి
Same.
సేమ్ పాత్. సేమ్ పాత్ మీన్స్ హౌ వీఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ డాట్. డాట్ represents here data is the
Current.
current working directory, and where you want to call. So from where, which folder, which model, which folder, project. Yeah. I hope you got it right. Clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? So here I implemented something, here I implemented something, here I implemented something, here I implemented, I written some common functionality here and all. If you want to call anywhere, not only here, if you want to anywhere, this is the syntax. Module name. We can give anything. Don't confuse here. రెండు మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు. ఇక్కడ మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలని. This is the module name and source equal to from which code you want to call, which code you want to reuse it. I hope you understand, right? ఇప్పుడు నా యాప్ ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్లో ఉన్న కోడ్ని నేను రీయూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ మోడల్? ప్యాకేజింగ్ అండ్ రీయూజబిలిటీ, రైట్? Correct? What is the main purpose of? See here, packaging and reuse resource configuration with Terraform. So if you want to call, so that is the syntax, model and model name, and how it will come means, so same, this is the syntax, model block. So now see here, syntax, model name, and so we can use like this also, source and server also, this is the one way, and so directly we can call, so source equal to, I given my model path, whatever you want, that is your wish. See here, so that is the source. Source arguments is the mandatory for all models. Without source, can I call models? At least guess it. ఇది లేకుండా నేను కాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చునా సోర్స్? No. So that is the mandatory field. Source is the mandatory for all models. Any model if you want to call it, so source is the mandatory. Source means here I given my source path. See here, source equal to which code you want to reuse it. Project Aలో I written something. నేను ఏదో రాస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. Got it? So project Aలో I written something. See here, I written something. This is the one file. EC2 code I need to reuse it. I want to reuse this code. Again I no need to write in my file. So already someone is implemented. I want to call that code. So now simply, so I call it here. I hope you understand, right? Concept is simple, only try to understand. So the main thing is reusability. Now project Aలో something already they implemented. That same functionality is suitable for me. Why I need to write again in my project? Directly I can reuse the code. See here how we can reuse model name, source equal to from where we are getting that code. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here? Sharath, clear? Okay, now I'm going to execute how it will work. So now where is my main folder? Here, and this is the provider. Go to here, cmd, and before that, let me connect my AWS. Whether same instance will come or any different instance will come. Uh, 676 716. Okay. Now see here, go to EC2, and so do we have any instances running or not? No, I don't have anything, right? Now go to here, I am running. Okay. Terraform. Remaining story same only. Terraform init. Model is nothing but main thing is packaging and reusability. Packaging, enter also many people they are asking. So what is Terraform models? So what is Terraform models? So Terraform model is nothing but a main thing is reusability. That is the packaging and reusability resources. And there is types of models. Only two types: root model and which one? Root model and child model. Root models and child models. So root model means we are maintaining all files in the particular working directory. Child models means so we are going to different directories, and wherever we want we implement, and whenever we need we can use this syntax. That's it. Model and source equal to your model path. Just we need to give that path. That's it. Very simple. So now done, right? Now see here, Terraform, Terraform validate, Terraform validate, and so Terraform plan. Now, so here, now see here, Terraform plan. Terraform has changed real infrastructure against your already it is available, no change. First I am running, maybe already it is destroyed. Where which apply Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen apply. No changes means already available, same instance. Where is that is? Which region? North Virginia. Instances. Which region? North Virginia, right? I am using which region here? US East one only, correct only. Region US East one only. Terraform. Okay. What is the problem? No infrastructure configure. Already I called, right? EC2 instance. Anything missing? So this is project A. Name is correct. EC2. Correct on right. ITF file is correct. So VPC dot, let me call project B. Project B Terraform edit model A. Any typo error? Correct on right. Project A. This is not a matter. We can give anything. Data represents that's it. Apart from this, nothing. Project 12. Just will say Terraform. I am running so validate and Terraform plan. Terraform plan. Invalid client token ID, security ID. Any typo error?
Markanda, your access key secret key is not correct, it is saying.
Someone is changed? Any change illada?
Give me give AWS config.
I'm giving AWS.
Check it both are matching or not.
EAT.
Yeah, not equal, right? Something going.
Mhm. Okay. This is okay. US East one. Okay. Okay. JSON form. That's it. Now make it. Mhm. Now see here. Resource equal to AWS instance. This is our instance. This is my AMI 686. Correct, right? 686. Go to project A. Where is that? 686 AMI 686. Now go to instance type. Which instance? T2 micro. Remaining story same only. T2 micro. Same. So now just try it. Apply. So Terraform. Apply. Remaining story same only. Auto hyphen operate. So hyphen auto operate. Now got it, guys. Earlier where I run root modular. So now go to that particular project, just run it. So that is the case. So mostly we go for some models. Models means the main thing is packaging and reusability. So interview also many people are asking what is the Terraform models. The Terraform model main purpose is packaging and reuse resource configuration with Terraform. So that case real time mostly we are following, and so as of now we are using only root model. Now whatever you want we can so create multiple models, and whenever you need this is the syntax. So how to call model means interview also they are asking. This is model, and so model name and resource source equal to that path. Source equal to that path. Source equal to that path. That's it. Source equal to that path. Clear, guys? Now go to here. Click on instances. Click on instances. Where is my instance? Refresh. Now see here. So now instance is launching. Instance is launching. Remaining is same only. Remaining concept and all same only. Just we need to understand this syntax. How we can call models. Model name and source equal to from which project or which model you want to call. Which model and all we want to call. Already in the document also available. Just we can try it. Already I shared, right? So if you go here, there is a concept where is models. Under models, if you go here and go here, they written so multiple ways. They written multiple ways. Whatever you want, you can check it. So basic model. What is the model? How it works? The root model, child model, and published model. This is Terraform registry. It will coming from Terraform registry only. Mostly it's root model, child model, and source, version, metadata, whatever you want. And so they're defining some models as well. And based on this, so they implemented same whatever I implemented. Very simple format. These people they written some extra format. Just try it how it will work. So see here, they written multiple files, right? So variable files and AMI data source output. Now check it. Now these are the output files, and these are the they are using EC2 instance. This is the AMI dynamic data. These are the variable where they are using models. Correct path is model, basic model. Now manifest. Somewhere they are using, just check all these files. Maybe somewhere they are using model concept also, and we can check it. This is only for your reference. Just check it somewhere. There is pencil default configuration output files. EC2 tag name model. Here, see here, they are using model and model name, and they are using. So this is the so register Terraform AWS model EC2 instance AWS, and versions and all. If you want to, we can use it, and name equal to AMI, and so this one, so we can reuse it. User data, they are using user data, they are using security group, they are using subnet id, they are using key also, instance type, and AMI id. So see, AWS instance model, for instance purpose they created one model, and this model whenever we need, so we can reuse it. So there is different ways we can use. Simply, if you want to call, this is a source, and they are given, this is a standard model they are using. Okay, standard model, see Terraform AWS models EC2 hyphen instance and AWS. This is the user model, and these are they implemented some common functionality, some of the common functionality, so they implemented. So main thing is, interview they are asking what is Terraform model, what are the types of Terraform models, and these two questions only mostly they are touching. Just note it how it will work and what is model, and that's all. So now I am using Terraform destroy command. Terraform destroy. Before that, now we'll see one more very important concept, Terraform workspace. Terraform workspace. So as of now, anyone any doubt, guys? Models, that's it. Just apart from this, nothing. Just create, and whenever we need, just call it. Whenever we need, just call it. Clear? What Shiva? Chandrasekhar.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now very important concept, workspace also. So workspace means, so as of now, we are working with the default workspace. If you go here, so here also there is a workspace, and open this one, workspace. What is workspace? See here, we are going to create two more workspaces and update your Terraform manifest files, and these are the sum of list. What is Terraform workspace means? Now in Git we are creating some multiple branches, right? Yes, sir. Creating or not? For example, test branch, dev branch, like this. Hmm? What is purpose? This is theoretically, just check it. They written many things, right? Simplest way I am giving. What is our workspace and how it will work? So now Git, how we are creating branches, right? Same way. So there is a workspace. Terraform people they are giving one more concept, workspace. Workspace is nothing but right? As of now, here workspace is nothing but one code, right? One single code. As of now, I am maintaining only one single code. One single code, right? So, how I know, sir, this is only one single code. How we can reuse this one and all? So, one single code, and with the help of, we can create multiple environments. So as of now, I created one workspace. I created one folder. Just simply in that folder, I written so multiple right TF files. This is a single code. So with the help of code, with the with the help of workspace, I can create we can create entire environments. We can create multiple environments. We can create multiple environments. Environments means, for example, dev environment, QA environment, stage environment, production environment, prod environment, test environment. Like this, we can create multiple environments. So single code. See here, one single code. With the help of workspace, we can create multiple environments, multiple workspaces. So how it will work? This is the command. If you want to see Terraform workspace, there is a list command. It will display how many workspaces as of now you created. If you want to create any new workspace, Terraform workspace. If you want to create any new workspace, new, and which environment you want. For example, I need development environment. Same way, Terraform, I need Terraform workspace, new, I need production environment, like this. Suppose if you want to switch one workspace to another workspace, Terraform workspace, select and workspace name. Which workspace you want to go? I want to go dev environment, we can go. Or I want to go production environment, we can give production. Or I want to go QA environment, we can give QA test environment, like this. This is the syntax. These are very simple concept only. Now go to here. Now check it here. Terraform workspace. If you give press enter, so these are the commands, guys. Sub commands. These are the sub commands. See here. If you want to see the list of workspaces, list. If you want to delete the workspace, delete command. If you want to create new workspace, new sub command. If you want to select workspace, and if you want to show the current workspace, show command. Whatever you want, we can use. Now I want to see currently I am in pointing which workspace. So now currently I want to check pointing which workspace. See here, Terraform workspace. So I am in which workspace. So currently which workspace is? This is the default workspace. So if you create any TF files, if you are not creating initial, but it is the default workspace. I need one more environment. This is the default only. But what is the here, right? Workspace means one single code. So I am maintaining same code only. So with the help of this code, I want to create multiple environments. With the help of this code, I am going to create multiple environments. How we can create? So as of now, this is the command. So this is the default workspace only. Did I create manually? No. So by default, Terraform itself, it will create one workspace. This is the default workspace. No, sir. Real time, we are maintaining same like this. QA environment, test environment, production environment, stage environment, like this. How to create workspace? This is the command. Terraform workspace, create private workspace, new, and for example, I need dev workspace. I need separate workspace for development purpose. Dev. Simply I am giving dev. Now see here, created and switch it to workspace dev. Now I want to see, I am in which workspace? దీన్ని మనం ఫిజికల్గా టచ్ చేయొచ్చా? నో, రైట్? అర్థమవుతుందా? See here, now Terraform workspace show. So now I'm in which workspace? Now I'm in default workspace or dev workspace? Dev. If you want to create anything, we can create files and all here. Notepad. For example, dev underscore vpc.tf file. resource, just understanding purpose, resource AWS underscore VPC and dev underscore VPC, and just I'm creating CACDR block, CADR underscore block, just I'm giving something 10.0.0.0./16 I give for example. Okay, that's it. Okay, save, close it. Now I switch to default workspace. How to switch the default workspace? Terraform workspace. Which workspace, guys, you want to switch? Which workspace? As of now I have only two, default workspace and dev workspace. Which workspace you want to move? Switch default workspace, select default, select default. Now dir. Now see here, I am in which workspace? Now check it, show. What is show? Now see here, I am in default workspace. అర్థమవుతుందా? క్లియర్. వన్ సింగిల్ కోడ్ మొత్తం ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్, ఎంటైర్ కోడ్ అవైలబుల్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ, but we are maintaining multiple environments. With the help of workspace we can create multiple environments, and whatever you want, so we can configure, we can create so that related files and all. So that case, suppose if you don't want, we can remove. How to remove workspace? Now I am going to create one more workspace. See here, terraform workspace list. Now I have two workspaces. Now I am pointing to which workspace, guys? Dev workspace or default workspace? Default. So new, and I am giving so production. So now see here, terraform list, show list. Now we have three workspaces. Now I am pointing to production. Suppose if you want to switch to dev, means terraform workspace select dev. That's it. Now see here, switch to dev workspace. Suppose if you want to remove one workspace, terraform workspace rm. I don't want prod, I don't want dev. If you want to remove rm, not rm, delete, sorry, not rm, delete, and workspace name, delete. You cannot delete current active workspace. Which workspace I mean? Active. Terraform workspace, so I mean active. So now in this case we can delete prod, because I am in dev only, right? Now we can see prod. See here, deleted workspace prod. So this is the concept, workspace and all. If you want to, we can, this is very simple concept only. Terraform workspace. See here, there is a one concept. So each terraform configure as isolated, and how it will work: execute operation, here the persistent, and so workspace terraform starts with the single default workspace named as default workspace, that cannot be deleted. Can I delete the default workspace? Can I delete the default workspace? No, we cannot delete the default workspace. Whichever workspace you created manually, whichever workspaces, custom workspaces, whichever workspace created by users, so that workspace and all we can delete. If we have not created a new workspace, you are using the default workspace only. Suppose I didn't create any workspace, I work with what is the default workspace? Default only, correct? So if you are not created, if not created any workspace, so you are working with default workspace only. Okay. Now when you run terraform plan, so the new workspace terraform does not access existing workspace in the other workspaces. This resource still physically exist and all. Now, if you use Terraform plan, now I have two workspaces, correct? So now I have two workspaces. See here, CLS, Terraform, Terraform workspace, Terraform workspace list. Here I have two workspaces. Here I have two workspaces. Default workspace, dev workspace. Now, if I use Terraform plan, Terraform plan workspace, if I use Terraform plan, and whichever files I created dev workspace, that file should be executed. Extra. What is this meaning? So they are given one page. When you run the Terraform plan in new workspace, Terraform does not access existing resources in other workspaces. Only whichever resource available in the Terraform dev, that is Terraform workspace dev. So in that files only it will plan it. I hope you understand, right? What, Ramya? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the some basic points. Apart from this, remaining same only. Apart from current workspace iteration, how it will work, remaining story same only. So default workspace we cannot delete. Default workspace we cannot delete. So if you use Terraform plan and the particular workspace, what are the files you created? What are the files you created? What are the files available? Only so that TF files should be executed. So remaining and all it won't execute. For production environment I created 10 files, production related files. For dev environment I created 10 20 files, dev related files. And if I go dev environment, if I go to dev workspace, if I run Terraform plan, dev related, under the dev workspace, what are the files you created, what are the resources available, that resource should be executed. That is the whole concept. Apart from this, nothing. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? How to remove, how to create a workspace and all? So if you want to know more about Terraform workspace, just if you give list, these are the commands. Sorry, Terraform workspace. If you give like this, see delete the workspace, list the workspace. New means if you want to create new workspace, create new, and if you want to select the particular workspace, select. If you want to show you are in which workspace, show command. I hope you understand, right? What is workspace? Simply, if anyone is workspace means single. What is the workspace? One single code. With the help of one single code, we can create multiple environments. We can create multiple workspaces. So how it will work means, so if you want to create any workspace, this is the new command. If you want to delete the workspace, delete command. If you want to select. If you want to see current workspace, show. And so these are the some of basic commands. I hope you understand, right? Anyone any doubt here?
Yes.
Only one line answer enough. Interview they are not expecting much. So only one single code, one single piece of code. We are going to use multiple workspaces, and within the workspace, whatever you want, we can create it. And whenever if you use Terraform plan, that particular related workspace configuration file should be executed. It won't execute all workspaces. So for example, I created development, I created production, I created stage, I created a test. Now we are in development. If you run Terraform plan under development, under dev workspace, what are the files, what are the resource files you configure, only that file should be executed. In production environment, I configure few extra files. That and all it won't execute in the dev. In dev environment, I configure 20 files. If you go production environment, if you use Terraform plan, only that related workspace files should be executed. Files should be executed. Clear? Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is just note it, very simple only. And interview also one or two people they asked